USD. Hey traders, welcome back to FX Titans, your ultimate guide to Forex trading. Today we are focusing on one of the most popular and profitable pairs in the market, gold versus US dollar. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, this pair offers incredible opportunities to grow your account. Plus, I'll show you how you can get free signals and expert guidance in our Telegram group. Gold has always been a safe haven asset during times of economic uncertainty. Like we are seeing now with global inflation and political instability, investors flock to gold. This drives up its value. On the flip side, the US dollar often moves inversely to gold, making the gold/USD pair perfect trading option during turbulent times. For example, when inflation data comes out higher than expected, gold tends to rise while the dollar weakens. This trend creates amazing opportunities to buy gold or short USD. Let me break this down for beginners. Suppose gold is currently trading at £1,900 and inflation data is expected to push it higher. Using our free signals in the Telegram group, you will receive a message like this: buy gold/USD at 1,905, take profit at 1,920, stop loss at 1,895. That's it. No guesswork required. Our signals are beginner friendly, providing clear instructions for entry, stop loss, and take profit. This means you can start growing your account even if you are new to trading. Trading gold USD is exciting, but remember, risk management is key. Always use a stop loss to protect your account. For beginners, we recommend risking no more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. This way, you can grow your account steadily without taking unnecessary risk. Ready to start trading gold like a pro? Join our free Telegram group today for signals, mentoring, expert advice tailored for beginners. But also advanced traders can use our tips. Trading doesn't have to be hard when you have the right tools and guidance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FX Titans, hit the bell icon for weekly Forex tips. Let's turn your trading dreams into